courage, determination, scholarship, strength. Words that define Greg Abbott, the Attorney General of the state of Texas, twice elected Attorney General, appointed to the Texas Supreme Court by then-Governor George W. Bush, and elected district judge in Harris County. Greg Abbott serves Texas well. Married to his college sweetheart and proud father, Greg Abbott is a devoted husband and father. Perseverance gained in the face of adversity after losing his father as a child, and courage after being paralyzed by a falling oak tree. Greg Abbott lives determination, a mind for scholarship, and the strength to succeed obstacles. Greg Abbott takes the lessons learned in life and applies them to his work every day, and it shows. His first priority as our Attorney General is protecting Texas families and defending Texas values. His office has arrested over 600 predators wanting to do harm to our children. He has collected over $10 billion in child support payments, making sure they have the resources they need to grow healthy and strong. When an atheist sued to remove the Ten Commandments from the state capitol grounds, Greg Abbott argued before the U.S. Supreme Court in the monument's defense and won. It still stands today. In the fight against waste, fraud, and abuse, Greg Abbott has recovered over $200 million in Medicaid fraud. And recently, he led 31 state attorneys general in defense of the individual right to bear arms.